Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to reorganize your data in Google Sheets or make space for new entries without messing up your hard work, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to shift cells down in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know two simple and effective methods to move your data around without losing anything, super helpful for keeping your spreadsheets nice and tidy. Let's get right into it. First up, let's look at the classic way to shift cells down, say, by 2 rows. Imagine you have some important information in a middle section of your sheet, but you want to insert space above for new data. Here, what you do, start by highlighting the exact number of rows that you want to shift down. For our example, that's 2 rows. The reason you highlight the rows is so Google Sheets knows exactly how much space you want to create. Once you've got those 2 rows highlighted, go ahead and right-click anywhere on the selection. You'll see a quick menu pop up, and what you want to look for is the option that says Insert Cells. Now, when you click on Insert Cells, another smaller menu will appear. This is important. Make sure you select the choice that says Insert Cells and shift down. What this does is simple but really powerful. It pushes the existing cells down by exactly the number of rows you highlighted, making empty space right where you need it. Your data stays safe and in order, nothing gets deleted, it just moves down. This method works great if you want precise control, especially when you're working with only a few rows or columns. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find the right-click option the first time. Once you've tried it, it'll feel like second nature. Now let me show you a second way that's just as handy, especially when you want to move a larger chunk of your sheet or even the whole section. Say you have a table and you realize you need to bump everything down a few rows. For this method, highlight all the cells you want to move. For example, you might select your whole table or range of data. Next, hover your mouse right over the thick blue line at the top of your selection. Here's the little trick. When you're right on the edge, your cursor will turn into a hand icon. That's your sign. With your cursor as a hand, click and hold, then simply drag the selection downward as far as you like. You'll see a preview as you move. When you let go, all your selected cells are instantly shifted down and the blank space is created above. It's kind of like moving a stack of books down a shelf so you can insert a couple of new ones on top. This technique is fantastic for quick adjustments, especially when you want a visual sense of where your data will land. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you prefer the menu-driven approach or the quick drag method, you now have two reliable ways to shift cells down in Google Sheets and keep your data looking sharp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own spreadsheet tips, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And for more easy-to-follow tutorials on Google Sheets and other digital tools, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.